Hey girls family, it's your girl Serenity Rose and I'm back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a little press-on nail design. I'm not sure what I'm going to title it yet, but it's a press-on nail design. So if you guys want to see me play around and create a little cute little set of nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be designing a set of press-on nails, but I did want to swatch this specific color for you guys and also test these Modelone Gel top, base, and nail primer out. So yeah, I might play around with these. I'm still not sure how to play around with these. So let's start off with the swatch. I already have the swatch stick set up. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. That is one coat. So I'm going to let this dry and then we'll come back to do a second coat. So right now I'm going to put these in the set of 10. My press-on nails usually come in sets of 20 or 24 with 2 extra pairs of designs, but this is going to be a 20-piece set. So I'm going to do like 0 through 9 and then just so I can show you guys, and then I'll do the other half off camera. Okay, so now that everything's separated, I'm going to do the first 5 nails. I'm gonna like apply them onto these nail stands and then we can start working on a design. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. So I have them on the nail stand. So let's start with the first one. I think I'm gonna keep the thumbs, which would be number 0 and number 1. Sometimes I do number 2 as a thumb, but I think I'm just going to do 0 and 1 as a thumb and just keep them the solid color and maybe add bling at the end. I'm going to move the rest of the nails because they're kind of in the way. Okay, so do a coat of this. I love this color. This is a very fall color to me. It's like a maroon berry type of shade. Let that dry. I'm just gonna take them off of this because I only usually use this to put them in the lamp to dry. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. I hope I'm in frame. I'm trying to get better at this. Okay, so this swatch dried, so we're gonna do a second coat. That is what it looks like with the second coat. I think it's a very pretty color. So for these ones, I'm also gonna do a coat of these. I'm not sure what design I have in mind yet. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a hair. That's what I was taking out. Sorry, I got super focused. So yeah, usually by the time I'm done coating all 5, the beginning is already dried. For the second coat, it's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. so I'm gonna do my second coat now. So I still have some Zuli's bling adhesive. It is getting a bit dry. As you can see, this looks freaking disgusting. Seeing stuff like this makes me want to hurl. Oh, I think I'm actually not going to be able to use this. I think it's finally dried out, which sucks because I know there's more in there. What to do? I'm gonna see if I can pour some out of whatever's left in there and maybe use it that way. I'll figure this out at another time. I guess for now we're going to use some Kiss brush on glue. So I'm going to put some of these on the thumbs. Now in here I have two different sizes, a big round one and then a small round one. So I'm going to put the big ones on the thumb. So I'm going to place a dot of the brush on glue right at the top center on both. And pick up a big one. As you can see, there's the big one and here's the small one. So put the big one right in the center. On both. Just like that. And then for this one, I think I'm going to go around the top cuticle area and just put the small ones. So I'm going to pick some of the small ones out first. Okay, so that should be enough. So I'm going to go around the top of the cuticle area with the brush on glue. And start from the center. Just like that. Then I'm gonna open this one and see what we got in here. Oh, and here we have squares and like rectangles. So I think I'm gonna place a rectangle in the center of this one, and then another rectangle in the square. Designing these are so hard. Oh, I did mess that up. I totally just did mess that up. Cool. Okay, somebody told me that to just put alcohol on it when stuff like that happens, so I'm gonna try that. Spray some alcohol on a brush and see if I can fix it. Okay, that's not helping. I'm gonna do this one over off camera and I'll be right back. So let's move on to this one. I'm going to put a square right in the center, or a rectangle piece. that. And I'm going to put a square on the center of this one. Or I guess I'll leave it that way so it looks like a little diamond shape instead of a square. Actually, I really like that. So now that these had enough time to dry, with the exception of this one, I'm going to top coat them with a gel top coat, which is going to be this. And then we'll see how it looks from there. So I'm going to set this one to the side since it has 3 coats, and I'm going to put these to cure. So this is what they look like with the gel top coat on them, fully dry. So I'm going to take these off and put the next 5 on. Just set them there. Nice little background. I like this top coat. It is nice and shiny. I'm just going to turn this around, start applying the next ones. Okay, I'm going to readjust these because they're too flat. And then I'm also going to top coat the first one so that I can use all 5 pieces. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to do a marble design for these 2. So I'm going to do a marble design for these 2, a polka dot design for these 2, and then something really simple on these. So I'm using my lavender violets white. I'm going to be using this for the marble. Also, I'm going to be using this for the marble instead of the black. And I'm also going to be using the white for the polka dot design. So let's just get right into it. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. It helps us break each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded love. So now I'm just going to top coat these three, add some bling on these because my battery's about to die, and then I will charge it for a few and then come back and show you the end result. Okay, so this is what the final set looks like. Super cute. I think this is probably my favorite nail, along with this one and the marble design. So I'm going to finish off the other 10, like the other half of the pair, and show you what it looks like when I have them packaged. Also, the swatch stick dried. I just threw the nail decoration polishes on top so you can see what they look like too. Super pretty. And I will use these in a different video, but I did play around with them the other day. Yeah, I played around with these the other day. I played around with, not that one, but this one, which is the flames. These are roses. And this is what I came up with. This one, when I tried tearing off the extra on the side, ripped. But this one I just glued onto the nail and looks pretty nice. And there's a hair on it, which is most likely mine. But yeah, that is what that came out looking like. So I gotta play with that some more, but it looks super cool. Okay, so this is what they look like packaged in my little jewelry box. They're all done and ready to go. I'm gonna put this in there so they don't move. Then I put glue on top. Then I'm gonna close it and show you the outside of the package. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. I throw some gemstones that relate to the nails on top. With a nice little thank you sticker. And then I ship them out. So that is it for that design. I did want to speak about these Model 1's top base and nail primer. I didn't get to use the base coat or the nail primer, but the top coat is pretty decent. So yeah, I like it. And that's all I have to say about that. I will try to keep you guys updated in the description bar about the nail primer and the base coat. So I will see you guys in my outro. So yeah, I definitely forgot to film an intro and outro, so that's why this intro and outro look like this. I'm literally holding my phone and doing it now. So yeah, if you like the video, drop a thumbs up. If you like these videos, drop a comment down below so I can do more. And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you guys go. I would love to have you guys join my little Rose family here on the YouTubes. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.